Alright, this area looks sendable. Oh, of course it does. Yeah, I kind of enjoy driving around where Jesus lost his slippers. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Nice signal, ding-a-ling. What's going on, everybody? SRT Boost here. Out on a rip again. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing good. We are, again, out way in the middle of God knows where Jesus lost his slippers, as Nick always says. And again, no traffic. It's beautiful, right? Actually get to enjoy your drive. In which case, you guys get to enjoy my drive as well. So, it's always a great thing, right? We send one right after the street here. See what happens. Woo. Hell yeah. That is how your video should start. Give it some boost. Stay there. Side road 19. Huh. Road 19. That looked really hilly over there. Might be a nice place to go with the bike. Could be fun. Could be fun. What do we got in front of us here? What could it be? It's like a Porsche truck. Porsche truck. Ah, well, at least he's got the fuck out of the way. That's a plus. Oh, you son of a bitch! Stupid light. Well, that blows ass. Yeah, I kind of enjoy driving around where Jesus lost his slippers. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look, just like check out that nice, beautiful open road. Just waiting to feel the tires. I should probably turn the air conditioning back on. Ah, there we go. It's just unfortunate because that vent and that vent both do not work. Yeah. So I got that one over here, kind of pointed my way. And then the AC comes out of the, obviously on where your feet are, right? So, I mean, you know, you give it some time, it actually does get cold in here, but hey, listen, at the end of the day, I'm just happy to have an 1100 horsepower car that can be daily driven with air conditioning. There is nothing wrong with that. I don't care where the air conditioning comes out of. It could be all the way over there, as long as it's fucking working. Because, yeah, the heat that this motor and transmission put off, man, like, side of my leg down here freaking fries. Well, this is bringing a white picket fence to a new level. Okay, well, I mean, it's great, but okay, no, hang on, wait, no, that's white. Jesus. That's a piece of property. My God. And it's all built up nice too in the front, which is badass. It's got like multiple entrances, that place. Wild. I know whose house it is. I'm just not gonna actually say any names because, you know, in case somebody's looking to see where he lives. Wouldn't be nice of me. Churchill Avenue. Oh, that's a nice little road too. Well, you know what I say. I mean, if it's nice and clear right up the road here, I think I should make that gas pedal get acquainted with the floor. There's oncoming cars here though, it's the only shit part. So we can just speed up a little bit and, you know, make sure nobody's around. Oh look, another no exit. And another one. That was a little... I mean, I can get down there with the Ducati. This should be fine. Fuck, man, I really wish my dirt bike was, like, road legal. I'd be, like, doing power line videos and shit. But, you know, like, look, for example, I'm sure... oh, yeah, see, you can just drive right off the road. Just, especially at this time of the year. Like, I mean, you know, you fucking get into it, right? Look, straight up there. Like, what a riot that would be, man. It's actually a hidden entrance over here somewhere. Oh, don't hit the Monarch. I just saw, like, a driveway. Like, you can sneak in on the driveway here. Or if it's just, like, a road or something. It's like Bob's Road or... I don't know. Anyway, just fucking rip up, man. That'd be badass. Wow, that's a nice house. Gate and everything. Another nice house. Ah, see, you got big metal gate like that, and then you can leave your Dodge Ram or your Durango or anything fucking expensive you have that you don't want stolen. You can leave it out because you're not getting through that door. Not with the locking mechanisms that are on there. They're ridiculous. Oh, that's a nice downhill. Another nice house. Dragonfly Hill. What the hell's that? What the hell? Alright, this area looks sendable. Oh, of course it does. At the same time, I don't give a fuck. Just fucking send it, you know? Problem's just a problem, but it still rips. Like, I can't wait for it to be its true power, you know? It was at one time, right? Hey, listen, at least I can rip it this now, because I haven't been able to. Even like last summer, a lot of the videos I made, it was like really acting up. Like every time I hit it, it was like bleh, nothing happens. Oh yeah, here we go. A little slowpoke alert. Seriously, man? That's ridiculous. What the fuck's the speed here? That wasn't a brother. That was a sister. Good for her. That's awesome. I like seeing girls on bikes. I think that's really cool. Just funny, man. Like they must be so fast on those bikes, because like every girl that I see on a bike is like friggin' 5 feet tall and probably 100 pounds soaking wet. It's like compared to like a 200 pound or 230 pound guy like me, friggin' 6'2" on a bike. Yeah, she's gonna friggin' give me the smoke, man. She gonna give me the smoke. Oh my God. Driving Miss Daisy. Oh, it's a green light. We better put the brakes on. Yes. Brother. I'm surprised I didn't catch a red light after that. Oh, look, I almost did. My God. I would have been fucking pissed. Okay, now, this area, you gotta fucking watch for. No clue what this town is called, but it's... So, I'm gonna come up to like this little valve. Don't you fucking cut in front of me. I'm not getting stuck behind another one. So down at the bottom of this hill here, there's like literally a little spot where the sharks hide, and they just nestle themselves in there like an Alabama tick, man. And look, like you wouldn't even know where the fuck to look right here. So it's like you're really truthfully forced to do the speed limit because you just don't know. It's either in here like that, and then they just like tuck themselves right in, and they got their radar out as soon as you blow by, right? Oh, fuck. Little chipmunk on the road there. It's okay, he ran away though. Plus I evaded a little bit too. Hey man, everything's got a soul. There we go. Back up to a nice speed again. Since when is this fucking area speed so low? That's weird. Like there's a Lamborghini coming up. Yep, white one right over there. Going the wrong way, Bo. Follow me. Come get a spanking. Beautiful car though. Fuck, those things are loud, man. Yeah. Nice signal, ding-a-ling. No thanks, don't want to get stuck behind anybody. Got enough of that. There's the highway. One of my last videos there, we were fucking ripping down with when that Stinger, he needed a little thrashing, you know. Just wanted to catch a little bit of the smoke, right? Yeah. Anyway, guys, gonna end it here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All right, guys, take care.